Our research titled Alerted and Protected, the Untold Benefits of Emergency Alarm for Homeowners and Building Owners. Now, let's proceed to our presentation. Our study explores the homeowners and building owners' perspective of emergency alarm system to enhance safety, security, and well-being. Answering this question will provide valuable insight in role and impact of emergency alarm system.
This philological qualitative study, using Collace's method of analysis, gathering data through interviews and guide questionnaires, which has 5 building owners and 3 homeowners within Mandong, Davao City.
In analyzing data, we use Collace's 7-step methods. The rights of the participants are confidential and private.
So for the right column of our answer is, we'll answer our research question number 1, and then for our left column, we'll answer the research question number 2.
Emergency alarm systems enhance safety, security, and preparedness by deterring crime and proves reliable protection in emergencies.
Based on our study, the role of emergency alarm system can deter potential intruders, alert homeowners and building owners, and protect valuable assets. According to Weber 2016, emergency alarm system increase the perceived risk of protection can discouraging the intruders.
Based on our study, technological advancements in modern alarm systems Based on our study, technological advancements in modern alarm systems leverage smart technology, AI, remote monitoring, and automation to enhance security and efficiency. According to Magias and Ahmad 2019, technological advancements in alarm systems improve their effectiveness, enhanced through sensors, and smart home integration, offering better security and convenience.
People's trusted views on emergency alarm system influence their sense of safety, security, financial and quality considerations are crucial when adopting emergency alarm systems, as high costs and expenses can impact system quality and its effectiveness.
Okay, so based on our study, variability in alarm system performance is variability in alarm system performance affects their effectiveness and their reliability, influencing how well they detect and respond to threats. According to Chansey, Yamani, and Bliss 2017, alarm system performance varies due to factors like designs, installation, and maintenance, emphasizing the need for standardization. Okay. Positive maintenance and professional support is needed for our alarm system. It needs to be maintenance to ensure the functionality. According to Prasetyo and Pranato 2021, alarm system professional support is needed and needs expert support to ensure the functionality and reliability of alarm system.
Emergency preparedness, promoting awareness and training on alarm systems like drills. Local government units ordinances supporting alarm system.
Okay, time is up. Question for the Garnet team. I'm curious about how you conducted the interview.
Okay, so
Can you tell us about your journey?
okay, so first is we made a questionnaire. Then we let our research advisor we let our research advisor check it, and then it was presented to 3 field experts. Then a letter of permission was sent to the principal office to conduct the study. Before conducting the study, a letter of consent was given to the participants before they underwent in-depth interview and focus group discussion. And then we had them sign up acknowledging that they know their terms and conditions, and then we shared their rights that this conversation will be private and will not be shared to anyone. And that's all. Thank you.
Congratulations.